Alright guys, we are finally getting some sun outside. It's so nice outside after a few days of cloud and rain and all the I'm not a fan of that kind of weather. So it's really nice outside. It's 2:18 p.m. on a Thursday. Showroom is pretty much quiet. I do have enough time to do my lot walk. Now here's the thing, I take my lot walk really serious. If I notice anything on these cars, I try to put them on a group chat so my management knows what's going on. We don't like to have cars with flat tire or windows rolled down or lights on, those kind of stuff. Not really professional. I take it really serious. I like to help my management team here. If I notice something, I'll put it on. I try to make a list of some cars that I like to post because I use a lot of Facebook. Facebook is a really big help. If you're new in the game, if you're building clientele, you want to sell more cars, or if it's slower, like typically beginning of the year, Facebook comes in handy. It brings you clients, it brings you traffic, it will boost up your sales for sure. So I like to take it really serious. I try to post about 3 to 4 cars in a day. I try to post more if I can, but it really depends. I make a list first of all on my sticky note. I check all the cars. If they're clean enough, nice enough, then I'll take the pictures, because honestly I don't really like to take pictures if the car is really nasty, because who likes to stop by and check out the car that's not really clean, right? So you have to respect the customer as well. So I have a few cars. I have a 2018 CLA and I have a 2023 Ford Edge ST line that I'm planning to go check. I've had more cars, but I know for a fact they're not here. There's a Jeep Cherokee as well and a Acura RDX. They're just not up on the website yet. I'll double check with my manager if you're actually selling those cars. And then what I like to do, I'll like to get prices ahead of time, take pictures if the cars are nice, and then before we have the cars up on the website, I'll post them on my Facebook so I can get ahead of everybody else. So that's something totally up to you. If you have time to do that, or if you have the energy to do that, I recommend doing it because it gets you ahead of the game, ahead of the team. If you're busy enough, if you have your referrals, if you have your walk-ins, if you don't have time for it, then it's totally up to you. Even if I'm busy, I still try to do all of that. Make some content, reels, YouTube, take pictures, be on top of your Facebook. This is how I operate. So I'm gonna write down these stock numbers here, and then I'm gonna put the camera on my chest. We're gonna go check out the lot, see what's here. It's really, as I said, important to take lot walk serious, because you'll have an understanding of what's in the lot, what's happening, what cars are sold, what's coming in, which one's ready to show if a client shows up, and whatnot, right? So let's go take a look at the lot and then see what's going on. See, I'm looking for a Ford Escape with the super low kilometers. It's like 5,000 kilometers on a 22 model year, which is crazy. Let's go find that one as well, and then I'll see you guys in the next clip. That's the Ford Edge. It's up on the shop. Holy, can't take this. It's not ready. How's it going, brother? Not ready yet, huh? All right, it's okay. I was gonna take pictures for Facebook, but it's alright. I'll do it afterwards. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Whose Trackhawk is this?
No idea.
Just a random Trackhawk. Showed up. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know whose car. Oh my God, this is nice. It's so nice. Cheap Trackhawk. Beautiful. Of course, we have the Challenger SRT as well. The Rongo SRT. It's a Dodge dealer here, man. Almost a Dodge dealer. What's going on? Got another Challenger. Woo! Yes, sir. GT. No, the Hellcats. What's going on with this? You cleaned it? Oh, okay. There's a ding here. I don't like to take pictures with the ding. Oh, that's nice. There's a dent, yeah. All right. I guess no pictures for today. It's okay, man. So this is not 1239, because I showed this car before.
Yeah?
I know that's not 5,000 kilometers. All right, let's do a lot walk, starting from the back lot. Let's see how this goes. First time trying this setup that I have the camera on my chest. Let's see how this goes. How are you? Hi.
30 minutes? How are you, Mr. Poria?
I'm good. Oh, that's the 2003 Passat we're selling for $3,500. Oh my god.
Bro, this one's probably got a dead battery, bro.
Not bad.
This one, the fucking
Oh, rust.
panic button is not working here either.
Really?
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, such a nice Lexus IS. This as is still here. That's Jackie's. So, oh, he did some serious off-roading. Holy
That's,
shit.
boy, tool.
Yeah. That's how you properly use a Bronco. Damn. Actually, first time seeing somebody actually using a Bronco for an actual serious off-road adventure. Bro, I'm pretty sure it's the same black one in the front. Let's check the VIN number.
The one, no, it's not. The one that,
Maybe the car's not here yet. Or try detail.
I have the fucking
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's true. Okay, what about detail bay?
Let's go.
Let's go from here. That's the as is. Oh, no, actually, we're selling that certified.
Are we?
Dodge Ram, yeah. It's the Eco Diesel. Damn. Let's see. I don't see a black Escape. Oh, 22? No, I don't see it.
22.
Have you tried the shop?
But do I have the key?
Maybe they're using a second key. It's supposed to be a black one, right?
I think so.
But have you checked the VIN number on that?
Yeah, I did.
What the hell? Oh, what the? That's your delivery. Someone's driving it on the curb.
Where's the parked at the back?
Bro, this is 2020 Escape. What's the last digit of VIN number?
51339.
Oh, so it's not. Oh shit. What the hell is going on? Why is he going on the street? You could take the curb sidewalk. What you doing, bro?
क्या होया? क्यों? क्या बाबा?
Having a fight.
ओवर करके फ्रंट बुला दे.
It's sold, man.
डिलीवरी करनी बंदे.
So he sold this truck and he's moving it on the curb as a display and it's already cleaned up.
क्या होया भाई?
Now it's full of grass. You got grass and mud on your tires, man.
You're not supposed to drive this truck on the road.
Bro, the Escape is not here. My only guess. Shop. Let's check the shop. After a couple months. This is the 60 years anniversary package. Finally going after a couple months of sitting.
Oh, that's a new?
I'm going to help Mr. Rohit, which you guys probably know from previous episodes. He's at a gas station, was trying to gas up a sold unit, but the car had low battery and he's stuck there because the battery's dead. We are grabbing this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon to go help him out, get him a booster pack, and then we go from there.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
He's just laughing. This shop here,
Yeah.
always some nice cars in front of it.
Omar knows this guy.
Yeah? He's got always some nice cars. Not now, but usually. There's something going on. Okay, let's go help him out. What happened, bro?
Hello guys, bro. It's all that. Thank you for the
Again?
rescue. go.
Thank you.
John Ford to the rescue here, boys.
Yes, sir. A bit of Jeep.
Only $990 for one rescue.
This time we're not gonna charge it. Don't worry about it.
It's okay, bro. I'm getting spit for this.
And we do.
Did you gas it up already?
It's a gassing up. See, 90 auto cut.
Oh, okay. At least we get to look at it under daylight. It's so nice. Try. You're good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Wow. Back here with a very nice Ford F-150 Raptor 801A package. It's a very nice unit. I'm working on it with a referral client. Hopefully we can get it sold. Taking some pictures. It's very important when you're talking to clients, send them pictures and videos. Even if they don't ask, you have to do it. This is what I do. And I've learned on slower months, it's best to do that so you can attract more clients, make them feel and believe and trust that you care about them, and that will make a huge difference, guys. So let's take some pictures of the F-150 Raptor. I'm gonna go quickly show it to you guys along with more units, so stay with me. Now looking at this beautiful 801A package, black exterior with the graphics. This unit has the bed liner as well, moonroof, and engine block heater. 117K. This one here is 802 package. Also, I've got another one here, which is another 801 package. So you see these three units here, this is pretty much what a lot of dealers would get in a year. And I have 8 of them here in Donway Ford as of April 2026. I've got more over there in the back. I just got a couple of Bronco Raptors. So this is what I've been talking about in my previous videos. I get Raptors more than any other dealer, being a Ford Performance store in Toronto. Okay, so now let's go hop inside. Beautiful. So nice to drive these trucks, and it's very easy to drive them at the same time. Let's see if we can park it right beside the other one. Pictures already taken. You see the nice 360 camera. Makes it much easier for you to drive it. You can see what's going on around you. Lot's pretty much full. I'm just gonna park it back here side by side of the other one. I've got avalanche, I've got black, I've got carbonized gray, you name it. I've got colors. So easy to drive it, as I said. Just like that. Just like that. Beautiful. Line it up. That's it. Three Raptors in one shot. All right, let's go sell it. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday here at Donway Ford. I am going to take care of my Tesla Model Y delivery. Just came back from the body shop yesterday. My guys cleaned it, safety inspection done. I just have to check out the tires on the car because I know they have replaced all the tires. I'm trying to see if I need to charge it again. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on the chest. Here's the Tesla, brand new wheels. Okay, new wheels. Looks like new brakes. You had to fix this side of it. Brother, we are locked out.
We are locked out?
That gate is locked out, I just noticed. And how do you want to move that car?
That car is gonna have a key.
I think that's 1235 or something. You need to call someone to come help us. Yeah, P1235. Oh my god.
Yesterday was first, right?
Yeah. How do we unlock this door? From the inside. Oh. Alright guys, let's wrap up this week's episode of A Week in Life of a Car Salesman with this nice molten red Ford Mustang GT. That was the last 2025 model that I had in the stock. I'm trying to move it to the back. I sold it yesterday. As you can see, it's sitting on the curb. I had a very nice gentleman coming in for it. He's a big Mustang fan. Alright, moving this beautiful 2025 Mustang GT Premium active valve exhaust with the performance package to the back. And the most important part is that this car is a 6-speed manual. That's what I love. If you are buying a performance car such as Mustang, you must go with the manual option, because why not? You have to have full control of the car. You want to be the one actually driving it. So let's go start it. Foot on the clutch as well as brake. Here, as you see, you have performance package. You get this kind of real looking handbrake, but it's in fact electric. Push it down and it will disengage and put it up for engage. You have the nice curved screen here because, as I said, this is a premium package. Car is still a little bit cold. Let it sit. Active valve exhaust gives you the option to make the exhaust note quiet or loud, whichever works for you the best. It's 1,500 bucks for the active valve exhaust, but a lot of people might just look at it as a quad tip, but it's just not that. You have more horsepower. You can select the loudness of the exhaust, and then you get quad outlets for sure. And I would say it's very well worth it if you spend 1,500 bucks and you get this. So now you're on quiet, and yeah, I've shown this before on other Mustangs. All right, let's go drive it to the back lot, because as I said, this is sold. Ooh, I really want to hear it. I'm gonna be driving one-handed. It's very easy. So easy to drive it. Clutch is very easy to work with. Just like that. And it does the rev matching for you, so you don't have to actually rev match. Let's buckle up here. See, it does the rev match for you, which is super nice. So where do we park it now? Let's see. I'm gonna park it somewhere safe. Here is good, nice and hidden. That's it. Woo! That's a nice ref for you. Let's get this washed. Let's get this checked out. And we're going to be delivering this next Saturday. So on the next episode, you'll be seeing this. Nice Mustang GT, last 2025 model. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode. Make sure to subscribe, like, and drop some comments for me. The Mustang is now parked in the back. Oh, look at this. Shelter green 2026 Ford Bronco. I always have some nice cars to show in my vlogs. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, as I said, show some love. Thanks for staying and watching this long. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.